Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is 25 divided in bracket 2 plus 3, 5. So let's start with today's video solution. Many people fail to solve this because they did not take a right approach and solve it like this. 2 plus 3 is 5 times 5 and 25 divided 5 times 5 is 25 and their answer is 1, which is incorrect. Because when you have multiple operations given, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule. So this rule helps you to give priority and from where to start. So first you have to solve the parenthesis, bracket if given, then exponent. Multiplication and division both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first solve the parenthesis, that is bracket. Bracket is 2 plus 3, 5. Now write the left terms, 25 divided 5, and here is 5, and bracket. When you remove the bracket and there is no symbol, just simply put the multiplication. So now we have two operations left, that is division and multiplication. Both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So we will write 25 divided 5 times 5. Now cancel out the 5 with 5. So what is the final answer? 25, not 1. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. If you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.